How to use the metered dose aerosol, also known as the metered spray, with an inhaler. First, shake the aerosol canister well. Next, remove the cap from the inhaler to reveal the mouthpiece. Place the metered dose aerosol into the inhalation chamber. A rubber piece helps it fit. Detach the cap from the inhalation chamber. Be ready to take in the medication. Standing straight and keeping the metered dose aerosol in a vertical position before you, finger ready to activate the metal part. When you press the metal part, the dose will be released into the chamber and will remain suspended for a few seconds. Ensure that the metal part of the device is facing upwards. Slowly and completely empty your lungs outside the inhalation chamber. Place the mouthpiece of the chamber in your mouth and seal your lips tightly around it. Press the metal part to release the dose into the chamber. Inhale the medication right away, slowly and deeply. Try to hold your breath for 10 seconds if you can. If you find it difficult, you may take 3 to 5 breaths in the inhalation chamber instead. Slowly breathe out away from the inhaler and resume your normal breathing. The inhaler is a device for taking your medication as a vapor. It's possible you won't sense the vapor during inhalation, even with correct inhaler use.